Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wall Street Baby token. Now this token just recently got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, maybe about a week or so ago, maybe under a week. But now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, May 7th, listed on a big exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So first of all, before we get into this token, I just looked it up on CoinMarketCap, and there is a big warning at the top of the page. It is one very specific warning. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the contract may contain a blacklist function. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So when they can blacklist wallets, that can be really bad. So that's it basically means it stops wallets from being able to sell the token. So if you bought a bunch of tokens, they can blacklist your wallet, then you can't sell the token. And then what happens, people can't sell the token, becomes a honeypot, and the price gets higher, nobody can sell, people can only buy, and then they can rug people if they can remove liquidity. So that can be super sketchy. So be aware of that. They can blacklist wallets from being able to sell the token. Do not get scammed, people. All right? It doesn't necessarily mean that because they have that, this is going to be a scam, but it definitely can be easily. So thoroughly do your own research. Now, this token is not doing very well today. It is down 24.27%, but I mean, anything can happen. 24-hour trading volume is down 33%. So their official webpage is wallstreet.baby. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. WSB is the ticker symbol. So this token just got listed today, May 7th, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search WSB, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, there's been a couple other Wall Street tokens, because it's meme season right now. There's been a lot of these tokens newly listed and some other ones popping up in the top gainer section. I noticed there's one called Wall Street Bets Classic. There's another one called WSB ENU. And so I believe that one has the same ticker symbol, WSB. So be aware of that. There's tokens with the same ticker symbol as Wall Street Baby. But I do not believe those other ones are on Mexc Global. So this should be easy to find on Mexc Global. But if you're looking up tokens just with WSB ticker symbol elsewhere, just be aware that there's other tokens with the same ticker symbol that also have to do with Wall Street. Now, this is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan here listed on CoinMarketCap, and it says right now they have 6,227 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 trillion tokens. Their Telegram is at wallstreetbaby_portal. They have 3,084 subscribers on their Telegram, so their Telegram's doing pretty good there. Now, they have a Twitter as well, at WSB_baby. And it says, I was born this way. Do your own research. Meme coin. They just joined in April 2023. So barely a month old here. They're Twitter, and they have almost 10,000 Twitter followers, 9,849 Twitter followers. They have a DEX tools chart right in their top tweet there. Lots of memes, of course, on their Twitter. And yeah, besides that, just talking about their brand new listing here on Mexc Global. And then there's their webpage, wallstreet.baby, which has a chart, Twitter, Telegram, information, all sorts of stuff, memes. Release the Inner Degen, where it all began, the origins. So it looks like there's something I could click on here. Let's see what happens. Oh, so it takes you to different YouTube videos. Okay. So it says, born a degen. Truly, we are all born degens, which is short for degenerate if you're not up on the crypto memes. We deserve a meme coin that represents who we are. The original Wall Street Bets logo was taken from a video of a baby spending money in comparison to the mole. Okay? Where we are going. Give credit. The designer had one question in mind when he created the baby in that video. That would be to have a 2-foot-tall modern ape look-alike. We have reserved 1% of the total supply for this visionary. And then you can click on that. It'll take you to a different video. And then it has Pay It Forward. The popular YouTube channel Ted Ed will be happy to hear that we took them up on their offer. We have reserved 5% of the total supply for the educational nonprofit to claim at their earliest convenience. And there's a button you can click on here that says Challenge Accepted. Release the memes. WSB is only a meme coin, so have fun with the community, make new memes, enjoy the time we have left in this decaying society. Well, that's pleasant. So then it says, this coin, the WSB coin, has no association with TED Ed or their creation of the viral baby meme in their educational video. This token is simply a fun thank you for all the memes that have gone viral as a result of their creativity. WSB is a meme coin that does not have any intrinsic value or expectation of financial gains. There's no formal team or roadmap, so be aware of that. We are here to have fun and choose to be here. So just be aware that there is no security at all on this token, no audit, no KYC, not even a roadmap, no team, and a big warning on CoinMarketCap saying that they can blacklist wallets. So definitely be aware of all of that sketchiness before getting this token. If you even want to get this token, you can. It's available on Mexc Global, so check out the Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, where lots of brand new tokens get listed, not just meme coins, of course. And check out this channel, like this video, subscribe. I post daily crypto videos talking about the newest coins and tokens. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Wall Street Baby down there in the comment section? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.